Because of their size, conventional full-size vacuums can be difficult to store and heavy to move around, while their fixed wheels can make them hard to maneuver. And because some have inefficient cyclones, they can lose suction. The Dyson small ball vacuum was engineered to be 30% smaller than our other uprights, weighing just 5.5 kilograms. Two tiers of cyclones capture particles as small as pollen and mold spores, and whole machine filtration traps them in the machine. It rides on a ball to steer easily around obstacles. And a direct drive brush bar motor allows powerful full-width cleaning. Its carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors. And nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. Noise emissions have also been reduced, but with no compromise in power. And there's also no compromise in reach. The cable, hose and re-engineered wand enable an overall reach of 12 meters. And because it retracts, you can store it easily. Remarkable what you find in small packages.